Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys. So if you have a Chevy Cruze from 2008 to 2016 and maybe even the new generation from 16 to 19 guys, I think the procedure will apply to it as well because they share the same transmission. And you guys have a code P0218 guys, and you have an overheating transmission. Stay with us and we're going to explain the two most common causes for that guys. Let me first introduce you to the channel guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Please check out the playlist below guys. This is for your convenience. So hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money. All we need in return, please give a like and subscribe guys, and let us know in the comment section if we were able to help you. So now guys, let me explain what is causing that code P0218. Okay, we took the whole transmission apart. As you can see, everything is completely apart here at the shop. We have that transmission, got it. Okay, you can see it's completely empty now. We have the okay, this is the solenoid control body with the transmission computer guys. This is your transmission module right here. We'll have quite a few videos explaining each component, what causes what potential problems it can cause and all that stuff. Now this is guys the oil pan, and right here we have the transmission, okay, transmission valve body. This is one very important component of your transmission. So now guys, let me explain something to you. If you guys have that code P0218, the two common reasons for that guys will be explained in just a minute. It means that you guys, you're overheating the transmission, and I noticed that this happens usually after people service their transmissions. Why? First of all, you can get air in the lines and the transmission fluid will foam. As a result, that foam guys will not cool as fast, it will expand, and you can throw that code. Second, people guys sometimes put too much fluid. When you put too much fluid, we'll explain what will happen, but let's just get to explaining what that black thing is now here. That is a transmission, okay, fluid check valve. Transmission fluid check valve. This valve guys is made out of a special metal that expands when it reaches certain temperature. I believe it's like 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and it sends the transmission fluid to a different place. Now if that thing is malfunctioning, okay, your transmission may overheat, may act like it has too much fluid, but it's not a very common reason for that thing to malfunctions. It does happen sometimes, we've had that problem in the past, but the most common reason why you get that code guys is because people will add too much fluid, okay, and that valve will not control it correctly. As a result, the fluid will foam and it will start, the foam will expand, and the foam does not cool in the radiator cooler as fast as liquid. And as a result, you're going to get that code. So if you guys have code P0218, it's either that valve or most likely guys, it's possible that you have too much fluid. Now of course it could be something else, it could be burn clutches that can cause that, but those are the two most common reasons. So hopefully guys the video will help you save some money. Thank you for Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.